How to fix Gmail notifications not working problem. If you are not receiving any Gmail notifications, then you can follow my video. In this video I will show you easy step to fix Gmail notifications problem. So let's get started. Go to Phone Settings. Go to App or App List or App Management, and find out Gmail app according to your device system. After finding, click on it. At first force stop the app. And then clear cache from storage. No data will be deleted after clearing the cache. Now click on Notifications. And here make sure that Show Notifications are turned on. And at the same time also check the following options are turned on. Now close the settings. Open Play Store. And check app up to date or not. If update is needed, up to date. After following the step, Gmail notifications problem will be solved. Thank you for watching this video. If you want to get more update video, hit the subscribe button and turn on all notifications.